Good morning, OPOS stars. Welcome to one more edition of C4P10, the street food series with Mumbai Khada Pav Bhaji. Let me light the stove and start the timer. Add a generous amount of butter and toast the pav. In the meantime, chop the vegetables. Add quarter cup of butter. Not quarter cup, maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. And a couple of cups of tomato. This does not use onions. In case you want to add onions, you can add some fried onions or caramelized onions. You can even crush the tomato and add it as it is. Pretty toasted. Super toasted. Keep it on low and let the pav toast for the next 5 to 6 minutes. If you want to add a bit of color to it, you can add a bit of chili powder. கொஞ்சம் கலராக இருக்கும். பாவில் தொட்டு பார்த்தா இங்கே இருக்கும். பார்க்கறது கலராக இருக்கும்.
இந்த பிரெட் தான் போடணும் இல்லையா? சாதா பிரெட் போட்டால் நல்லா பண்ணி.
சாதா பிரெட் தொட்டு சாப்பிடலாம். பாவ் பாஜிக்கு இதுதான் பாவ். சாதா பிரெட் போட்டால் பிரெட் பாஜி. So about a couple of cups of tomato as a bottom layer. And if you want to peel the potato, you can peel it. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to cut it really fine. Since there's going to be Khada Pav Bhaji, I'm not going to mash it. So I'm going to cut this pretty fine. Ensure that the loading is done in around 5 minutes or so. The cooking time would be 5 to 6 minutes. அப்படியே விட்டா கறக்கும். Khada Pav Bhaji की मैश பண்ண தேவையில்லை. சாதா பாவ் பாஜி கடான்னா அப்படியேம்மா மேஷா பண்ணாம. Take a couple of cups of chopped potato and mix it with whatever spices you like. If you want to add some ginger garlic paste, add some ginger garlic paste. This is a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. If you want to add some Pav Bhaji masala or garam masala, this is the Kolhapuri masala which I made yesterday. I'll add a bit of that. Or you can use your regular Pav Bhaji masala, whatever masala you like. You can even use chole masala, chana masala, or just garam masala. Anything you like, just doesn't matter. And some Kashmiri chili powder for the red color. Bit of salt. Turmeric powder if you like. I am not going to add any. Mix it all well. Add it as a layer over this. This should give us gravy enough to feed more than 4 people. And we'll add the delicate vegetables and pep. I'm chopping these fine too. We'll just mix everything later. என்னம்மா எல்லா வெஜிடபிள்ஸும் போடலாம். உங்களுக்கு வேணுங்கிற வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் எதாக இருந்தாலும் போடலாம். இது அப்படியே பாம்பே ஸ்டைலில் பண்ணுறேன். அதனால் அங்கே என்ன வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் எல்லாம் போடுறாலோ அது மட்டும்தான் போடுறேன் நான். ஒரே ஒரு வித்தியாசம், அங்கே வந்து இது போடுவாள், பட்டாணி இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது ஃப்ரெஷ் பட்டாணியெல்லாம் போட மாட்டான், விலை ஜாஸ்தி இல்லை. ஊற வச்ச பட்டாணி, நான் ஃப்ரெஷ் பட்டாணி போடுறேன். they will add dried peas. I'm going to add fresh peas in its place. Add it on top as pep. Close. Cook on high for around 3 whistles. Mash with a bit of butter and a bit of water. And your Pav Bhaji is done. This is done. The pav is done. Cut it open if you like.
Yes, also we can suitcase in
Roast it further or leave it whole. It's up to you. Meanwhile, I'll prepare the accompaniments. சரி, சின்ன கப்பு கொடுங்கம்மா பாவ் பாஜி போடுறதுக்கு. நேற்று பண்ண மாதிரி அந்த சின்ன கப்பு எல்லாம் வெங்காயம் அதெல்லாம் போட்டு வைக்கலாம். So you'll see that it's possible to feed a small crowd in around 10 minutes or so. Add a big bunch of pav, spice this heavily, dilute this heavily, and you can feed a lot of people. Clean பண்ணிடுமா? And you will see, there is absolutely no mess, nothing to wash. They can serve it in this itself. These are party-friendly recipes. I can stretch this comfortably to feed around 6 to 8 adults. Correct. Some onions. If you want more bite, mix in a finely chopped green chili. I'm just filling up the time here. Couple of lemon slices. remove the pav. If you want, you can make a tadka of curry leaves and jeera, as some of the Pav Bhaji vendors do. So that is completely optional. Clean up the space and get ready to plate it. Let this go for a couple of more whistles, just to ensure that potatoes are nicely done. You don't want a bite. Three, just one more. That should do. Our cooking is done. You will see that the peas have retained their color. Just fish this out. No, another people about it. Talipur. Mix it all up. You'll see that the tomatoes have nicely caramelized. You can add a bit of water if you like, mash it slightly if you like, but none is required. For Khada Pav Bhaji, serve it as it is. Switch off. Look at the bright colors. See? Beautiful, no? If you want to stretch it, add a bit of water. Mash the potatoes slightly, and there you go. Let me just show you how well the potatoes have cooked. See. So that is your Khada Pav Bhaji, done and dusted in around 10 minutes from scratch. Try this out and please post your validations. Thank you very much.
Super.
Super.